Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best suede brush is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone who owns suede products. Suede, with its luxurious feel, requires special care to maintain its beauty and longevity. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of suede brushes, exploring different types, their uses, and how to choose the perfect one to keep your suede items looking their absolute best. Number 5. Shacke 4-Way Suede and Nubuck Leather Brush. Is your suede or nubuck looking a little worn? This brush is designed to bring those materials back to life. It's a simple tool with a big impact on the look of your leather goods. This brush features 4 different cleaning surfaces. Each side is designed for a specific task, from removing dirt to restoring the nap of the leather. It's like having multiple cleaning tools in one. The bristles are tough enough to clean, but gentle enough not to damage your leather. You can use it on shoes, jackets, and other items without worry. It's a safe and effective way to care for your belongings. Using this brush is incredibly easy. Just select the appropriate side for the task and brush your leather in the direction of the grain. It requires minimal effort for maximum results. Regular use of this brush can help extend the life of your leather goods. By removing dirt and restoring the nap, it helps prevent wear and tear. This helps you keep your items looking their best for longer. What we like. This brush offers a 4-way cleaning action, ensuring comprehensive care for your suede and nubuck items. It's also versatile, suitable for various materials. If you have a diverse collection of suede and nubuck items needing thorough cleaning, this is a great choice. What people say. I used it to get ink pen marks out of a light gray suede jacket. The cleaner bar thing works great. Also love the small crevice part. I used the soft brush and the eraser part first and it seemed to help a little, but when I used the wire brush it just came right up. Number 4. Chemical Guys ACC_S95 Leather Cleaning Brush. This brush is perfect for cleaning leather seats and upholstery. It's designed to be gentle, so it won't cause any damage to the surfaces. You can use it on leather, fabric, and canvas. It's great for cleaning seats, upholstery, bags, shoes, boots, and furniture. The horsehair bristles penetrate deep into leather pores. This allows it to provide a thorough clean. It's made with genuine horsehair and built to last. This ensures consistent performance over time. The brush has an abrasion-resistant body. This design helps maximize leverage and scrubbing power. What we like. This brush is gentle yet effective, perfect for cleaning leather without damage. The horsehair bristles provide deep cleaning. If you are looking for a brush that can thoroughly clean your leather seats and upholstery while maintaining their quality, you should consider this. What people say. This is a great quality brush, the bristles are the perfect texture to work with my leather seats and it is easy to hold and use. Good, well-made brush for cleaning leather. I bought this to you while detailing my car's interior and it was much easier than using a cloth. The bristles get down into everything and the large size really helps move things along faster. After scrubbing my seats and the creases in them, my car looks almost like new. There was no fallout of hair and the bristles aren't bent at all. They are soft enough not to harm the leather but they get the job done. Used with the leather cleaner and I could see the dirt coming out of the seats from my dog. It also gets into the leather wrinkles and really saves you from awkward scrubbing with a cloth. Soft, non-abrasive and effective. Number 3. Soft Sole Suede and Nubuck Cleaning Brush Kit. Tired of scuffed suede and nubuck shoes? This kit is designed to gently clean and restore the look of your favorite footwear. It's the perfect solution to keep them looking their best. The brush is specially designed for suede and nubuck. Its soft bristles effectively remove dirt and debris without damaging the delicate material. It helps to maintain the texture of the shoes. Using this kit is simple. Just brush away dirt and grime. This easy-to-use kit will help you maintain your shoes. This kit helps to restore the original look of your shoes. It lifts away dirt and helps to revive the nap of the suede or nubuck. It is a must-have for shoe care. Protect your investment in your shoes. Regular cleaning with this kit extends the life of your shoes. It is a great way to keep your shoes in good condition. What we like. This kit provides everything you need for suede and Nubuck cleaning. It's easy to use, making it perfect for quick touch-ups. If you like a simple, all-in-one solution for your shoe care needs, this is the one for you. What people say. This brush is excellent for cleaning suede and Nubuck items, restoring their original look without damage. This little eraser took the stains right out, I'm shocked. It worked within seconds. The suede is back to normal, the stain is gone, and I saved my bag with this inexpensive product. It is amazing. Number 2. Markk Suede Cleaning Kit. Tired of dull suede? This kit is designed to bring your shoes back to life. It includes everything you need to keep them looking their best. Inside, you'll find a brush and a stain eraser. This dynamic duo works together to gently remove dirt and stains, leaving your shoes looking fresh. This kit is safe for leather, suede, Nubuck, cotton, and knits. You can confidently use it on a variety of materials without worry. Keeping your sneakers clean has never been easier. This kit provides a simple and effective way to maintain your footwear's appearance. Whether it's boots, sneakers, or any other type of shoe, this kit is ideal. It's a must-have for anyone who wants to protect their investment. What we like. This two-piece set includes a brush and stain eraser. It's safe for leather, suede, and other materials. If you are looking for a complete solution to tackle stains and general cleaning on multiple types of footwear, you should consider this. What people say. Bought this Markk Suede cleaning kit for my teenage son's Birkenstocks, you know, the shoes he would literally sleep in if I let him. Those things were filthy. Like did you walk through a swamp and then do construction work? Kind of filthy. This kit? Absolute miracle worker. Got them looking almost new again, which is saying a lot considering the abuse those poor shoes endured. The brush and cleaner lasted way longer than his actual Birkenstocks did. Honestly, I'll probably pass the brush down as a family heirloom at this point. Fine brush for cleaning my moccasins. Working gently and progressively and following on with the brush to finish them as takes dirt marks out of suede really well. Number 1. Angelus Suede and Nubuck Cleaner Kit. This kit is designed to keep your suede and Nubuck items looking their best. It includes everything you need to clean and maintain your shoes, boots, and other accessories. The cleaner is specially formulated to gently lift dirt and stains. It will effectively remove marks without damaging the delicate texture of the material. The kit comes with a brush and eraser. They are perfect for removing dirt and scuffs. This kit is versatile and can be used on a variety of items. It's a great way to extend the life of your favorite suede and Nubuck products. With regular use, this kit will help you keep your items looking their best. It's a must-have for anyone who owns suede or Nubuck products. What we like. This kit includes a premium suede cleaner, brush, and eraser. It's designed for shoes, boots, bags, and jackets. If you like a comprehensive kit that offers premium cleaning and care for your suede items, this is the perfect choice. What people say. They obviously don't look brand new, but it got all of the water spots off with minimal effort. Small and easy to store and travel with. It removed stains. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.